Hello all, my name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video we are going to see one of the important concepts which is related to tuples, which is known as tuples are immutable. So let's see like how tuples are immutable with respect to the lists which are mutable. Okay, so if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all updates related to my YouTube channel, and do hit the like buttons if you really like this particular video. So let's get into this. So this is the topic guys which we are going to discuss today, which is known as tuples are immutable. Okay, so let's see like how tuples are immutable. So first we'll take an example of a tuple and we'll see like how tuples are immutable. Okay, so for example I will take tuple is equal to 45 and I will give some strings in between, because a tuple is a combination of several different data types: 45, Pavan, 65, 89, 100, and I will give it as Rocky, and I will give it as James, and I will give it as Sony. Okay, so now let's try to run this particular cell. Okay, suppose if we want to perform indexing of tuple, means what we'll give is, suppose if I give it as tuple of 1, means it will give an output of Pavan, because indexing falls under 1 for this particular tuple. And suppose if I want to change Pavan with some other name, let's try to replace with John. Let's see like whether it is possible or not. Now let's try to run this particular cell. It is showing like tuple object does not support item assignment. That means tuples are immutable. Okay, so with respect to the lists which are mutable, let's take the same example with list and let's try to compare with lists. I will take the same components of the tuple, and now let's try to run this particular cell. And suppose if I want to perform indexing of the particular list, it will show Pavan. And suppose if I want to change Pavan with respect to, I want to replace Pavan with John, now it's possible guys. And now let's try to run this particular list again. Now let's try to finally print this particular lists. So here you can see Pavan is replaced with John. Okay, so this shows that lists are immutable and tuples are immutable, which means you can change the components of the lists or the elements of the lists, but you cannot change the components of the tuples or the elements of the tuple. Okay, so this is the major difference between the lists and tuples, and the major difference is the tuples are immutable. Okay, so that's all about this particular video guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you one and all. Thank you. Bye bye.